Things you should know about affiliate marketing. More and more people are starting to realize that they can work with multi-million-dollar companies without ever inputting a resume or sitting through an awkward interview. This is done through affiliate marketing, but that doesn't mean it is an easy occupation to handle. The information through this video will help with some of the big stumps that slow down many people new to this line of work. If you are just starting out as an affiliate marketer, you should attempt to keep your campaigns small by only going with one solid product. See if you have a knack for the game or not. If you begin to make commissions on products, then you can begin to expand your presence online. But keep it small to start. As an affiliate marketer, your reputation is directly linked to the reputation of the company whose products you are promoting. This means that you need to choose your company wisely based on more than just the products offered. You need to check on the company's reputation to make sure they're viewed favorably. With the proper email tracking software, an affiliate can tell if his or her mail has been opened by the recipient. If it hasn't, you have two good options here. You can simply resend the mail again and hope they open it, or you can change the subject line to a more attention-grabbing title. Affiliate networks, also known as affiliate brokers, can be useful for connecting webmasters to good advertisers. Smart webmasters work with reputable networks. Running an affiliate network is a business, like any other, and there are professional accreditations and organizations for brokers. Working for established networks with good standing in their industry to avoid scam artists. Affiliate marketing can only be successful when it promotes products and services the customers want. Using new and popular products is a great way to attract visitors to the site. These prospective buyers will more likely visit the retailer's site and generate significant income for both parties. Keep searching for new opportunities all the time. Avoid exclusivity agreements at all costs. Some companies put clauses in their affiliate contracts that prevent you from linking to competing products, or sometimes any other product, on the site where you link to its products. While this might make the affiliate company a lot of money, it will have a negative effect on your income. This may not be a recipe for turning $10 into $1 million, but it is information that will help you structure an appropriate affiliate marketing campaign and help you reach the masses of your audience and profit from the parent company. It becomes easier through time, but it all must start somewhere. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.